Hey y'all, I just wanted to jump on here right quick and let you know that my awesome friend Mel from Mel's Crafty Mojo just got in a huge shipment of Christmas wreath making supplies. She has all sorts of things. She has signs and ribbon, deco mesh, poly burlap, wreath attachments. As you saw there, the really cute elf wreath attachment. Oh my gosh, it is just so cute. But anyway, this stuff sells out pretty quickly, and you know Thanksgiving, at the time that I'm filming this, Thanksgiving is tomorrow, and after that people are going to be grabbing everything up, making last minute Christmas wreaths. So if you want anything from her website, you need to jump on over there. I'm going to put a link down in the description box, and I'm also going to pin a comment. You know how YouTube is. Sometimes they remove the pinned comments, but I will try to pin it and make it stay. So anyway, check out those links, jump on over there, and grab whatever you want to make your Christmas wreaths. I will see y'all later. Bye!